So here is my new DJ bike from my awesome sponsor Alaudark. The brand is based in Casper, USA, and they make some absolutely amazing products, but you'll see in this video. The foundation of this bike is the Alaudark Lark frame, which is built super strong, making it perfect for big jumps. My favorite part has to be the saddle from Stolen brand. I absolutely love the design of it. The fork I've got is a RockShox Pike RC, which is lowered from 160 to 90 mm of travel. I also added some personal touches, like the costume paint job that perfectly matches with the saddle. The wheels are Alaudark's Beak E1.2 models. They are stiff, rigid and looking crazy good, featuring reflective stickers on both sides. The rear hub sounds amazing too, it has 114 engagement points. Just listen to this. I'm running a Sram Coder brake, which might be a bit overkill for dirt jumping, but I'm completely satisfied with the braking power, although the weight of it is heavy. For the cockpit I've got a Raceface handlebar and stem, but I'm considering switching to Chromag in the future because the stem feels a bit long for me. The rear tire is a Maxxis DTH 2.15, which is a fast rolling tire, probably one of the best options for dirt jumping. I use lightweight TPU tubes by RideNow that weighs only 48 grams, and despite some concerns about durability, it's held up great over the last 2 months since I've been using them, and you can save a lot of weight with it. Up front I have a Continental Racing 2.2, though I plan to replace it with a Maxxis Icon soon. I have an Alugear oval chainring, which makes pedaling easier. Talking about pedals, I use NG Sports wide platform pedals. They are grippy as hell and provide excellent stability. And finally, I've got Shimano Deore XT cranks to complete the build.